Hi, my name's Ted Denny, lead designer at Synergistic Research, and I'm coming at you from the Home Entertainment Show in Orange County, California, which is where my factory is, by the way. Today I want to talk to you about our new Synergistic Research router. For decades, designers have focused on DACs and other obvious components in the digital chain while ignoring things like routers and switches, believing that routers and switches don't affect the sound. But as I have found, and as most people know, everything affects the sound. And this is a massive leap forward. Inside it has one of our linear power supplies, a built-in electromagnetic cell that functions as a power cell line conditioner for the signal. The effect is a level of sound that you're about to hear now, with and without the Synergistic Research router. And this is getting us extremely close to, if not surpassing, the world's best turntables when combined with a Synergistic Research switch, our prototype server, which will be coming on the market soon, and of course a world-class DAC, cables, and power cords. Let's get started.
Said you really wanna love me, but you can't right now. Said you really wanna touch me, baby, can't do it right now. I can't hear you, I don't dare to get near you, baby. You take my upside with you, just to wanna turn it down. I know, just to wanna turn it down. I'm standing in the wings, I'm all by myself. I've got to try about everything. I get it by myself. I can't hear you, I don't dare to get near you, baby. You take my upside, won't you, baby? Just I wanna turn it down. I can't hear you, baby. I don't dare to get near you, baby. Said you really wanna love me, but you can't right now. Said you really wanna touch me, baby, can't do it right now. I can't hear you, I don't dare to get near you, baby. You take my upside with you, just to wanna turn it down. I know, just to wanna turn it down. I'm standing in the wings, I'm all by myself. I've got to try about everything. I get it by myself. I can't hear you, I don't dare to get near you, baby. You take my upside, won't you, baby? Just I wanna turn it down. I can't hear you, baby. I don't dare to get near you, baby. You take my upside, won't you, baby? Just I wanna turn it down. I was singing about love, baby. I was singing about happiness, but you take it all off. I think about just to put it back on. I guess, baby, you might sell it out cheap. You might lose it in town. You take my upside, won't you, baby? 'Cause I wanna turn it down. I was singing about love, baby. I was singing about happiness, but you take it all off. I think about just to put it back on. I guess, baby, you might sell it out cheap. You might. I said the whole boat might sink on you, and you just might go down with it all, but you may not drown. I can't hear you no more. can't hear you, baby. I ain't gonna get near you, baby. You take my upside, won't you? Just a woman gonna turn it down, 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 down. When you first wake up, baby, back into that real world, don't you thinking that you have enough? Being somebody, little girl, dreaming I was a woman, the hold of somebody's hand. I was slipping and sliding, the world colliding, a woman and a man. They gonna test in the frying pan. I can't see you no more, coming on too strong. I can't play that way, baby. You've been playing it way too long. I cry, 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 and I ain't gonna try no more. You take my upside, won't you, baby? Just don't wanna turn it down. I can't hear you, baby. I don't dare to get near you, baby. Take my upside right, and you turn it, turn it, turn it. I can't hear you, baby. I don't dare to get near you, baby. You take my upside, won't you? And you turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. Gonna take my upside, gonna turn it all around. Take my upside, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. Take my upside, and you turn it, turn it, turn it down, baby. Don't I know it? Don't I know? Yes. And you wanna turn it down?
Well, I hope you were able to hear the differences in the Synergistic Research products with and without. And we look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot and bye for now.